Welcome to our channel. Now we can learn today locus important problem for 4 marks. Now given here, the ends of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are 0, 6 and 6, 0. Find the locus of third vertex. Now look here, given ends, let first end is the A 0, 6. Now second end is the B 6, 0. Now it is the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. Now like this, it is the A, it is the B. Now let it is P x1, y1. Now let P x1, y1 be a point on locus. Here right angle triangle, look there here, a right angle triangle or 0, 6, 6, 0, it is the ends of hypotenuse. Now it is the A 0, 6, it is the 6, 0. We know that triangle APB is the right angle triangle. Now here angle APB is equal to how much here? 90. Now here it is the condition, angle APB is equal to 90. From Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square, and hypotenuse means here AB square is equal to PB square plus PA square right here. Now therefore in diagram, AB square is equal to PA square plus PB square. Now we know that AB square answer, and AB means distance between of A and B. A is equal to 0, 6, B is equal to 6, 0. We know that one formula, AB is equal to under root of AX1 y1 BX2 y2. Then distance between of AB formula is under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now here x1 answer is the 0, y1 answer is the 6. Here x2 answer 6, y2 answer is the 0. Now substitute here AB square, that means square root undadi ikkada. Now it is the AB, that means x1 minus x2, and it is the 0 minus 6 whole square, x1 minus x2 0 minus 6 whole square plus y1 minus y2, and 6 minus 0 whole square, 6 minus 0 whole square is equal to PA square, distance between P and A. It is also here x1 minus 0 whole square, here y1 minus 6 whole square plus it is the PA square. Next PB square. Now distance between P and B, and it is x1 minus 6 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. Now it is 0 minus 6 whole square means minus 6 whole square. 6 minus 0 answer is the 6 whole square is equal to x1 minus 0 answer is x1 square, y minus 6 whole square, open it this, and plus y1 square minus 12y1 plus 36. Now plus here x1 minus 6 whole square, open it this, and x1 square 2 6 the 12x1 minus 6 whole square, and that means plus 36 plus here y1 minus 0 answer is y1 square. Now here minus 6 whole square answer is the plus 36 plus 6 whole square answer is the plus 36. Here x1 square it is answer 2x1 square. Now y1 square plus 2y1 square. Now x coefficient here minus 12x1. Now y coefficient is the minus 12y1. Now constants are here plus 36 plus 36, 36 plus 36. Now look here, plus 36 plus 36 plus 36 plus 36 cancel. Now it is the here remaining 0. Here 2 is the common, look there here 2 is the common, x1 square plus y1 square minus 6x1 minus 6y1 is equal to 0. Now it is right like this. It is answer is the x1 square plus y1 square minus 6x1 minus 6y1 is equal to required equation. We know that here Px1 comma y1 is the locus. Now write down here x1 substitute x, y1 substitute right y, and that means a where Px1 comma y1 is locus, and that means x1 is equal to right x, y1 is equal to y right here. Now it is the x1 square. It is the meaning x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y is equal to 0. Required locus is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y plus minus 6y is equal to 0. It is the most important for 4 marks in IB exams. Next one, look here. Find the locus of B for which the distance from P to origin. Now look here, P to origin distance is double the distance, is condition is the double distance from P to the pointer. Now look here, first here, now it is the origin. Now look here, it is the P. P is any point on the locus. Now P to origin, it is the distance, for example 2. It is the double distance. It is the OP is equal double distance of P to A. Now it is the, for example, it is the A. It is the meaning here 1 unte, it is the 2 unte, here 2 it is the 4. Now and here meaning OP is equal to 2 into PA. Okay. Now let here it is the first A. Let given point A 1 comma 2. Next one, let Px1 comma y1 be any point on locus. Given condition is the distance from P to origin is double. Now under given condition, look here, from P to origin distance is OP is double is equal to 2. The distance from P to given point, it is the A and PA. Now OP is equal to 2 into PA. Now look here, we take both sides square. That means square of both sides. Now it is the OP square is equal to 2 square, answer is the 4. PA square, answer is PA square or PA whole square. Now OP square, distance between O and P. O is equal to, it is the origin 0 comma 0. Now it is the P is here x1 comma y1. A answer is, we know that 1 comma 2. Now it is the x1 minus x2 and x1 is the x1, x2 answer is the 0. Now it is answer is the x1 minus 0 whole square, y1 minus y2 and y1 minus 0 whole square is equal to 4 into PA square and x1 minus 1, x1 minus 1 whole square plus here y1 minus y2 and y1 minus 2 whole square. Now it is the x1 minus 0, answer is the x1 square plus y1 minus 0 whole square, answer is y1 square, 4 into, now operate this bracket first, and it is x1 minus 1 whole square, and it is answer x1 square minus 2x1 plus 1 plus y1 minus 2 whole square, y1 square 2 to the 4 minus 4y1 minus 2 whole square plus 2 whole square, answer is the 4. Now here x1 square plus 4y1 square multiply with 4 this part, and 4 into x1 square, 4x1 square plus multiply with y1 here, 4 into y1 square, 4y1 square. Next multiply with x coefficient and y coefficient, 4 into 2 minus 8x1, y coefficient is the 4y1, 4 into 4 16y1 minus 16y1. Constants are 4 plus 1 5, 5 into 4 20 plus 20. Now simplify this. Now it is the x1 square, it is the x1 square. Now 4x1 square, it is the minus x1 square. Now it is answer is the 3x1 square, 4y1 square minus y1 square plus 3y1 square. Now it is minus 8x1 minus 16y1 plus 20 equal to 0, where now here px1 comma y1 is locus. Now write it is here, x1 substitute right there here x, y1 substitute right there y, and now x1 is equal to x, y1 is equal to y right here. Now it is the meaning 3x square plus 3y square minus 8x minus 16y plus 20 equal to 0. Now required locus is 3x square plus 3y square minus 8x minus 16y plus 20 equal to 0. Next one, look here. It is also 4 marks, most important question here. Find the locus of the point P such that, and it is a given condition, PA square plus PB square is equal to 2C square, where A is equal to A comma 0, B is equal to minus A comma 0, and 0 is less than mod A is less than mod C. It is the meaning A and C is the positive numbers, and it comes May 15. Okay, now given A is equal to A comma 0, B is equal to minus A comma 0, it is given. Now let P x1 comma y1 be any point on locus. It is the first condition. Now P x1 comma y1 be any point on locus. Condition is given, PA square plus PB square is equal to 2C square is the condition. Now given condition PA square plus PB square is equal to 2 into small c square, it is the c square. Okay, now PA square, and now we know that AB formula, AB, and that means AB square formula, we know that x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square, where A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2, distance between of AB. Now look here, PA, P means x1 y1, A means A comma 0, it is the x1 y1, here x2 y2 as your wish, or it is x1 y1 or x2 y2 as your wish. Now look there, x1 minus x2, and it is the x1 minus A. PA answer is the x1 minus A here, plus y1 minus 0, y2 it is answer, and that means 0 whole square. PA whole square is completed. Next to plus PB, this one, and P x1 y1, B answer is the minus A comma 0, and x1 minus, and x1 here minus is, and that means plus A whole square. x1 minus of minus A whole square and plus A whole square, plus y1 minus y2, and y1 minus 0 whole square is equal to, it is the 2, it is the small c square. Now here x1 minus A whole square, open it, and that means x1 square minus 2ax1 plus A square, it is answer, plus y1 minus 0 whole square, it is answer is the y1 minus 0 answer, we know that y1, and y1 square, plus open it this, and x1 square plus 2ax1 plus A square. Now here plus y1 minus 0 answer is the y1, and y1 square is equal to 2c square. Now look here, here x1 square, here x1 square, it is the meaning 2x1 square, it is positive, it is also positive, positive x1 square, positive x1 square answer 2x1 square. Now here next to y1 square, here y1 square, y1 square, and it is 2y1 square. Next to x1 coefficient, it is the minus 2ax1, it is the plus 2ax1 is the cancel. Next one, constants are here, plus a square plus a square, now it is answer is the plus 2a square is equal to 2c square. Now look here, 2x1 square, 2y1 square, 2a square, and next here common factor is the 2 here, and 2 of x1 square, y1 square plus a square is equal to 2c square, 2 to cancel here. Now remaining part is here, x1 square plus y1 square plus a square is equal to c square. C square will become left side, that means x1 square plus y1 square plus a square minus c square equal to 0. Now we know that here p x1 comma y1 is the locus. And now it is the meaning where px1 comma y1 is locus. It is the meaning, right? X1 is equal to x, y1 is equal to y here. Now it is the x1 square, and that means x square, y1 square, and y square plus a square minus c square equal to 0, or now x square plus y square plus a square go to right side, that means minus a square minus c square go to right side plus c square, or and a required locus is x1 square plus y square plus a square minus c square equal to 0, or x square plus y square is equal to c square minus a square. Now here work for you. Find the distance from P to the points 2, 3, 2, minus 3 are in the ratio 2:3. Then find the locus of P. It is answer is 5x square plus 5y square minus 20x minus 78y plus 65 is equal to 0. It is the most important for 4 marks. Now it came May 2014 and May 2015. Now next one is the same method. Find the distance from P to the points 5, minus 4, 7, 6 are in the ratio 2:3. Then find the locus of P. It is answer 5x square plus 5y square minus 34x plus 120y plus 29 equal to 0. May 2008 and May 2014. Now this method, we'll learn this method previous videos. Look there.
డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్ లింక్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ ఛానల్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. మీకు షార్ట్ కట్స్, మోడల్ పేపర్స్ అండ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ పీడిఎఫ్ రూపంలో లభించును.